With its chiseled features and premium interior, the 2022 Lexus IS looks the part of a compact sports sedan. 3 engines are available, a turbo 4-cylinder, a V6, or a V8, with the latter two delivering aggressive F-Sport styling and chassis enhancements. Despite its appearance, the IS delivers a refined ride, but those seeking sharp handling may find that it's too soft. Rivals such as the Audi A4, the BMW 3 Series, and the Genesis G70 offer more driving engagement and livelier powertrains. Still, the IS offers a well-rounded entry luxury package with handsome styling and desirable features that should win it favor with buyers seeking curb appeal. A range-topping IS 500F Sport Performance model joins the lineup for 2022 and boasts a 472 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 engine and more aggressive exterior styling elements. The bulging hood, rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and subtle trunk-lid spoiler are all unique to the IS 500. Elsewhere in the lineup, new premium package is now available, IS 300 and IS 350 trims, and it adds 19-inch wheels with either all-season or summer tires, and door jamb protectors for the front doors. On the IS 350 model, the memory package adds memory settings for the power-adjustable steering column, exterior mirrors, and driver's seat. That model can now also be ordered with a power rear sunshade. Although we're most intrigued by the high-performance IS 500 model, its price may put it out of reach of many shoppers. If that's true for you, we'd think the mid-range IS 350F Sport with rear-wheel drive offers most of the IS's performance charms. The F Sport package not only offers more aggressive exterior styling, but also comes with unique 19-inch wheels with larger rear tires, a cold air intake system, a limited-slip rear differential, an F Sport exhaust, and sport seats with heat and ventilation. We'd also opt for the dynamic handling package, which includes an adaptive suspension system. The Lexus IS 250 has 3 engine options, a 241 horsepower turbocharged, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder in the IS 300, a 311 horsepower V6 in the IS 350, and now a 472 horsepower V8 in the IS 500F Sport Performance model. We haven't been fans of the 4-cylinder in previous tests of the IS 300, as its dull character isn't well matched to the car's athletic chassis. Ordering the V6 allows the IS to shine, and unlocks the F Sport package, which brings numerous performance upgrades, such as a limited-slip rear differential, staggered 19-inch wheels, and an optional adaptive suspension. When we tested a rear-wheel drive IS 350F Sport, we recorded a brisk 5.6 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour time average for this swift class. Looking for the ultimate IS? The V8-powered IS 500 model is the one to consider. At our test track, it pulled off a heroic 4.3 seconds 0 to 60 mile per hour run. The EPA has given the most efficient IS, the 4-cylinder, rear-wheel drive IS 300 model, fuel economy estimates of 31 miles per gallon highway and 21 miles per gallon city. The V6 IS 350 is rated as high as 28 miles per gallon highway and as low as 19 miles per gallon city. The IS 500 is rated for 17 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway. When we drove an all-wheel drive IS 350 on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, it delivered 30 miles per gallon. While not nearly as spacious or deluxe as Lexus's flagship LS sedan, the compact IS still offers a premium experience. An 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard and also uses a console-mounted touchpad. A larger 10.3-inch display is optional and comes bundled with in-dash navigation. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa are compatible with either system. As in the previous generation IS, a Mark Levinson premium stereo system is available as an option, but this time it has 17 speakers and 1800 watts of power. Safety and driver assistance features. Lexus continues to offer a suite of driver assistance features as standard on the IS lineup. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. The Lexus IS 250 has comprehensive coverage that's highlighted by the best powertrain warranty. The first year of scheduled maintenance is included at no charge.